In this lesson, we will walk through the basic functionality of the Cisco Jabber for Windows desktop client. When you first open your Jabber client, you should notice your status at the very top next to your name, and it should be showing as available. Your status will change to on the phone automatically when you are on a phone call, whether you answer that call on your Jabber client or your desktop phone. If you have WebEx integration, your status will automatically change to in a meeting when you join a WebEx meeting. When you have not used your computer in a while or lock it to step away from your desk, your status will change to away. You can also set your status manually or create your own custom status. To create your own status, simply choose the availability option you wish to show others, green for available, yellow for away, or red for do not disturb. Then replace the automatic text with your own custom text. Directly under your status is the search or dial bar. Here you may enter the name of a colleague to perform a directory search, or enter a telephone number to dial. To dial a telephone number, simply enter the numbers just as you would from your desk phone, including any access codes, then press enter on your keyboard to dial that number. Now let's search for a colleague. Jabber uses a predictive search to offer you possible matches as you type the name of the person you wish to find. Matches found in your contact list, or matches that you have recently interacted with, will appear at the top. Once you are presented with the correct option, there are several things you can do. By floating your cursor over the name, you will see a plus sign, which is used to add the contact to your contact list, and a telephone handset, which may be used to call the person immediately. If you then right-click on the contact, you will see that you have even more options. You may still add the contact to your contact list or call the person, but now you can also start an immediate desktop share or an instant WebEx meeting and view their complete profile. When you add a person to your contact list, you will specify what group to put them in. Groups are a helpful way to organize your client. You may add as many groups as you wish. Once you have added the contact to your contact list, double-click the person's name to begin an instant message. Press the telephone button to call them, or right-click for even more options. If your company includes photos in your profiles, you may go to View in the top menu bar to select whether or not to show the pictures in your client list. You may also choose for the client to display offline contacts or hide them until they become available. Now click on the envelope in the left-hand column. This is where your voicemails are located. Any new messages will be in bold. Saved messages will appear in regular print. You will see the caller ID for the contact, as well as the date and time of the call and the length of the message. To listen to the message, press the play button. To call the person back or for other interaction options, simply right-click the message. If your organization uses Cisco WebEx for collaborative online meetings, you will see the WebEx ball as the final tab in the left hand of the client. If you have any scheduled WebEx meetings today, it will show here. When it is time to join the meeting, simply click the button to be taken to the meeting room. You are now able to set your status, search for contacts, interact with contacts, check your voicemail, and manage your meetings, all from Cisco Jabber for Windows.